All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I posted an updated camera review. It was in 21:9, but all in all, I was addressing the yellow hue that I got from the phone after the latest Sony update. So when filming with this phone, the videos pretty much look yellow. So I did a factory reset. Didn't want to bore you guys with that, but what I'm going to do is just go through the motions in this video, and we're going to go ahead and go straight to the camera, I'm going to show you what the camera looks like right now after doing this factory reset. Let's skip that. We'll skip all of this and we'll get right into the phone. Not now. One of the few times I've gone through a device setup and what's with the rainbows and stuff. All right, so this is how the phone will come to you right out of the box, just like this. Anyway, let's get into the camera, and we're gonna go ahead and take it outside, and we'll see how it looks, and we'll come back and talk about it. All right, so here's round two. I'll see how this looks on the computer. It already kind of looks different, like that yellow tint is actually gone. So it looks like the factory reset helped, but it was really strong in the before. Actually, I think it's still kind of there. Looks like everything's like really green. But yeah, this looks to have kind of fixed it, but it's just this ugly yellow hue that just terrorized this camera footage. So as I look up here, it looks like one thing's for certain: the microphones on this phone are fantastic, but it does look like it kind of fixed it a little bit. But see, when you look in the grass right there, that has like this, it's way more punchy than it normally is. So now I've just switched over to 1080p at 60 fps, and I guess depending on the angle that the camera is pointed at, you get that yellow hint, you get that yellow hue. And what I'll do is I'll grab the Pixel 3a XL and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's a better representation of what I mean by the yellow hue. You see now? So I don't know if there's something wrong with my device. I'm sure this is something that could be fixed in a software update. But there you have it. The Pixel 3a is obviously displaying the colors more accurate. And see, if a person didn't know any better, you would think that the phone was accurate. At least somewhat accurate. Look at the flag and how it's represented on both cameras. The Pixel 3a is definitely accurate because this is a new flag that we put out here, and so it's brand new. But it looks really flat. I don't know, folks. That last update that Sony did kind of jacked up the phone. Just look at the grass. It looks yellow and green, and it's actually exactly how it shows on the Pixel. Crazy. Kind of upsets me, but hey, yeah, I don't know. Back to the drawing board. All right, so there it is. Something is definitely wrong with this camera. I've reset the entire device. I guess it's time to start looking at a warranty replacement or something, I guess. I don't know. If you're having this issue with your Sony Xperia 10, let me know in the comments, because there's obviously something really wrong with my phone. I mean, because it didn't start off this way. It wasn't always like this. It wasn't always showing yellow like that. It's very strange, man. I shot in 1080p and I shot in 4K 21:9. It just comes out yellow. For some reason, I don't know what it is. That's what it is. So for now, I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. I really love this phone, but the camera, and it's just for video. Like photos, I think come out great. Let me see here. Let's take a picture. Take a picture of something here. Like that photo looks good, man. That photo looks great. That's an accurate representation of the photo. That's a good photo. I'll reach up and take a photo of this up here. It's pretty decent. I mean, it's definitely not, well, let me give you some reference here. I guess I should say it looks good. I'll reference the Pixel again. And I know the Pixel is got the better camera, but that gives you some sense of what it could possibly be like. I don't know, man. I don't know. Something's definitely wrong with the camera for sure. I even, you know what? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and tell you guys I did install another camera app. We're not gonna get into that, but it still didn't work. It still, I don't know, didn't work. So I don't know what's going on with my phone, man. But we'll reach out to Sony and we'll see if we can get a replacement. Warranty exchange, here I come. I'll update you guys later. Take care.